Hi friends, I'm here with a new video. I am gonna show my nighttime skincare routine. As you can see here, I'm putting my hair up in a bun so that my hair can be fresh in the morning. I do have a hair tutorial that will be coming up as far as how I keep my hair fresh. It is also very important that you wipe off your makeup every night. Wipe off with your any makeup wipes, or now I wish I could have it in my hands. We do have a new balm. Once I'm done wiping my face with the makeup wipe, I do like to dab my face with water and then start cleansing. I like to massage it in my fingers and then gently roll around my cheeks, my nose, and all over my face. I do like to go in with the napkin and pat dry slowly, gently all over. I do not use a towel because towels do have a lot of germs in them. I then like to go in with my essence water. This helps my skin get hydrated and ready for my collagen and my C radiance. I also brush my teeth. I like to take my C Radiance and my collagen in a bottle. I like to do 1 pump of each and do it all over my face and slowly massaging in. Ladies, whatever you do, please massage it in your neck. It's also part of your face. My eye cream is gone. I did get a new one already. I do like to dab it in and then roll it in. It helps depuff my under eyes. For my night moisturizer, I do like to go in with my Night Haven. This smells amazing and it helps moisturize throughout the night. As I'm putting my Night Haven on, I would like to mention that all the products I am using, they are non-toxic and definitely plant-based. I do like to use my middle finger and my ring finger to massage it in. I am now going with my gold oil. I love this serum. This is my favorite serum of choice. I do dab it all over my forehead, my cheeks, and a little bit under my eyebrow bone. And then gently massage it in all over. And yes, massage it in all over, gently, slowly, take your time. My favorite lip mask at the time, it's from Tatcha. This thing is amazing. It keeps my lips hydrated. I do have a link down in the description box of all my platforms, and if you're interested and for my last step in my routine, I do love to brush my lashes. I do have lash extensions, so I brushed them out. And for now, bye friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.